Welcome to Chat GPT Unleashed, Revolutionizing Language Technology, a journey through time and imagination, where we explore the incredible evolution of AI language models and the visionary developers who brought Chat GPT to life. In 2018, OpenAI introduced the world to the first iteration of their groundbreaking language model, known as GPT-1. Amounts of text, but it was just the beginning of a remarkable journey. Meet the brilliant minds behind ChatGPT, the developers who dedicated themselves to pushing the boundaries of language technology. Dr. Emily Reed, a visionary scientist and the lead developer of the Chat GPT project, spearheaded the team's efforts to enhance the capabilities of language models. Dr. Reed's determination and innovative thinking became instrumental in shaping the path of Chat GPT's development. Inspired by the success of GPT-1, the team embarked on an ambitious endeavor, giving birth to GPT-2 in 2019. With an unprecedented number of parameters and impressive language skills, GPT-2 fascinated the world. But the developers faced a crucial decision. Concerned about potential misuse, OpenAI chose to release GPT-2 incrementally, starting with smaller versions, to strike a balance between access and responsibility. The release strategy aimed to ensure that the incredible power of GPT-2 was wielded responsibly. In 2020, OpenAI presented the world with the crown jewel of language models, GPT-3. With a staggering 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 was a game-changer. It astonished users with its ability to understand and generate human-like text. Out of GPT-3's brilliance emerged Chat GPT in 2021, an interactive AI designed to engage in text-based conversations. Chat GPT showcased the potential of language models in conversational AI, but it faced its own set of challenges. Despite the limitations, ChatGPT opened the door to a world where humans and AI could engage in meaningful conversations. OpenAI continued to refine and enhance the technology, leading to the birth of GPT 3.5 Turbo. With this upgrade, developers gained more efficient access to the incredible capabilities of language models. The journey doesn't end here. Researchers and developers strive to improve language models, ensuring their responsible and beneficial use in society. Through their dedication and imagination, these developers are shaping a future where language technology transforms the way we communicate and interact with AI. The journey of ChatGPT and its predecessors serves as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Embrace the power of language and join us in shaping a future where communication knows no boundaries.
Subscribe now for a future that knows no bounds.